whole bunch of snow plows and stuff. Looks like they're go get some more salt. What's that guy pulling? God, they're having to clear out the path just to get to the salt. See, he's pushing that. The most traveled roads, highways, and main streets. There he is. Whoop, don't waste it. See, there's guys in those buckets that are just controlling that and spraying it onto the planes. That is the one aircraft that is planning on departing. This is the only jet, the only airplane landing at Will Rogers this morning. And again, not a commercial plane, not a commercial, it's a corporate jet out of Kansas City. All right, they're talking to us at the 954. Again, road conditions are pretty good. I mean, at least one lane looks pretty good here on I-44. We're right over 89th Street, so this is kind of looking to the southwest. So a lot of geese on that pond, trying to find some water, trying to find some warmth. Woo! Trying to find some warmth, trying to find some water. That pond is mostly frozen, except for right there where the fountain is. Yeah, this is I-240 in Western. Yeah, I see what you're talking about. There he goes. Oh, yeah. Oh, wipe out. All right, so this is over near I-240 in Western with some kids just having fun. That one may have knocked himself out.